I finally know who I am.
Was not only free, now he was a cowboy.
Really? I come from cowboys?
My friend, you come from a long line of cowboys, right up to Wyatt, your father.
That's my dad.
And here he is at the Okmulgee, Oklahoma Rodeo.
20 seconds, unbelievable ride. What are you gonna do with your grand prize bucket?
Use it to hold up my Wranglers. Then I'm going to pass it on to my kid. Folks don't always see us as cowboys, but when my boy wears his blue ribbon belly badge, he'll know bull riding's in his blood.
I finally know who I am.